I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by building real surface relief so the light reads as a sphere. Mix joint compound and acrylic paint about 1:1 for sculptural paste with workable body. Once mixed, use a palette knife to lay concentric rings and crater shapes, keeping relief around 0. 5 to 1 centimeter so highlights show. Make sure to feather edges thinly to blend into the canvas. Let this first textured layer cure fully, roughly 24 hours, before any sanding or additional sculpting. Now refine the moon's topology so shadows read correctly under a single light source. Sand selectively with 120 to 220 grit to keep rounded forms. You want contrasts, not flat planes. Next, block in base tones using thinned acrylic glazes, neutral grays, warm ochres for Maria, and a cool blue for subtle atmospheric cast. Once dry, add thicker paste to emphasize rims and deep crater interiors, then cure each pass. This layering creates depth, so alternate sanding and glazing until the surface looks sculpturally believable. To finish, lock in the form with value contrasts and texture techniques so the moon reads three-dimensional from a distance. Use dry brushing to pull high points, stippling for regolith texture, and a small round brush for crisp crater rims. Blend subtle glazes to unify color and finish with a matte varnish or satin for controlled sheen. Let the piece cure 48 hours before touching. If any texture lifts or flakes, re-adhere with PVA glue. Reskim a thin paste layer, sand smooth, and repaint that area to restore continuity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.